Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in a new place, new house, new room, new era, new beginning, new chapter, and I'm just in love with the process. So today's video is going to be about a room decoration. Without further ado, let's get into it. The room is kind of like small, but since I have this big, it's huge, this closet, it's gonna take all of my clothes, all of my products, my makeup, like it's gonna take all of the things, so I don't need to bring another closet or something. I just need to put like my table where I study. Well, yeah, we're gonna figure out how to do this.
Too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off.
This part is going to be for my hair products. This part is going to be for my makeup. I don't have like a lot of makeup because I'm not a big fan of makeup. I just have like the necessary things. I put all of my makeup essentials. I told you that I don't have like a lot of makeup, just the necessary things. So that's why I put them here, because if I just throw them here in 2 days, this place, I know how it's going to be like. We both know here.
High up in the sky, cruising through the night.
I finished with the bed and with the floor and with the closet. I'm gonna try now to make the room a little bit aesthetic. I'm just gonna put like some prints that I printed them yesterday. I'm gonna put my table where I study here. Also, I bought some green stuff. Just gonna try to make this aesthetic as possible as I can, because I can't live in a room where all the walls are white and everything is simple. I just can't, and I'm already tired.
You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby, make the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the...
Now it's time for those. I have got a lot. I don't know like specifically where to put each one. I think I'm just gonna put them randomly because like there's nothing specific.
Just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be with.
I'm trying to remove those white places because I think they don't look good. So it's better if I remove them.
See her building, try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating.
I think this is enough for this area here. Now I'm gonna move to this place here.
You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel.
I'm gonna put those green things first, then I'm gonna see where should I put those. Where should I put those?
Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way.
Here I'm gonna put the mirror from friends here too. I'm literally in a mess. I don't know what I'm doing.
And it's the end of the night, feel like you're dodging my eye.
You mustn't stay white like this. No, 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 no. Not in my world. I have those roses. I don't know why I bought this. Where should I put these? Oh.
You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the roads that I love, make the same when I'm on my own.
And finally, I finished the room. I'm so tired, but it looks so good. I'm so happy with this. So this is all for this video. I hope you all like the room. I love it so much. And I still have this flower. I don't know where should I put it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let me catch you all in my next video. Bye.